The Photobacks New Documents action set is designed to save you time and effort by streamlining the process of creating new documents in Photoshop. With just one click, you can set up perfectly sized documents for print and social media without complex menus, settings, and calculations. You'll notice over here in your Actions panel, you'll now have a huge selection of options, though you can remove the ones that you wouldn't normally use if you like. Let's say you want to create a flyer that was 11 by 14. You can come over here to your Actions panel, just click on 11 by 14, and the document is set up perfectly for you with print guides, 1/4 inch margins, and a background color picker to easily change the background color. You can even click up here at the utility functions of the action set to rotate the image, show or hide the guides, clear the guides, add your own margins, or even find the center lines. All of these functions make it so easy to get started working in Photoshop without having to waste time trying to set it all up. In the same way, you can quickly duplicate the document. You can also save it under a new name. And if you're working with multiple images and documents that have different resolutions, these buttons will allow you to standardize the resolutions without changing the pixel dimensions. If you want to create a document for social media, we have all the preset standard sizes ready to go. For example, an Instagram story, maybe a Facebook cover, or your profile photo. Even if you just want to start with a blank canvas in Photoshop, you can easily click any one of these buttons, create that blank canvas, and what's nice about having this background color picker is that if you crop this canvas to a new size, that background color will automatically fill your document. From here, if you want to add print guides at a 1/2 inch around the edge, you can just click one button. Or maybe you want to set up the rule of thirds. We can clear the guides and click here. And of course, these settings will work on other images and documents that you bring into Photoshop. If you're building photo albums, we have many options here for you, and this will allow you to create 2-page spreads or single pages very quickly. Let's say we're doing an 8 by 12 landscape spread, just click that, and then you'll see your 2-page spread is set up perfectly with print guides, left and right pages. And here at the bottom of the list, you'll see we have video settings. So if you are going to create images or slides for a video, you can easily click and you'll have your video canvas ready to go to work on. And as you can see, you can minimize your actions so they don't have to stay open the entire time. And I'm working here in what's called button mode. However, you can work in the standard Actions panel mode if you prefer, and this puts all the actions into a folder. This also allows you to remove any actions that you might not use. For example, if you're not going to use the international sizes, we can highlight them all and just drag them to the trash can to remove them from the list. If you later want to add them back in, you just reinstall the New Documents Action install file included from Photobacks. And this action set also works in older versions of Photoshop, including Photoshop Elements. You can see here, we just have to click one and press the play button, and it works perfectly. So you can set these documents up exactly the way that you want in any version of Photoshop. And that's how easy and efficient it is to use the Photobacks New Documents action set. Save time, streamline your workflow, and avoid the hassle of getting started in Photoshop.